YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what goodies they have to offer. If you like this item, add it to your cart now, check out, and they'll ship it to you fast. It is Prime Day week, coming in a couple days. Hopefully everyone gets some good deals out there. They got Prime Day sale going on now, so check these guys out. And my, like I said, affiliate link will be down below. And that's about it. Let's see what's inside. And who's this coming from? Oh, okay. These are my good friends over at Redragon. This is a TAIPAN Pro wired wireless gaming mouse. RGB. Ooh, nice white. We got on the fly DPI adjustment, grip and hence scroll wheel, 20 million click durability, RGB black or backlight, 2 ergonomic thumb buttons. Ooh, fire button. Ooh, there's the dongle. Alright, definitely excited to try this out today. Like I said, they got everything you need for esports, from computer accessories, everything, gaming accessories. Definitely check these guys out. Of course, you get some stickers for your stuff you need to get stickered. And here we go. Ooh, this is fancy. Here we go. They got a lot of cool keyboards, a lot of mechanical keyboards, a lot of mouse or mice, whatever you want to say. It's a nice style cord. It feels like a shoelace. Got a twisty tie right in the middle. There we go. Left to right. There we go. Redragon. But yeah, definitely they have really good quality stuff. So if you're interested, definitely check them out. There's a dongle. Takes 2 to dongle. Oh, there we go. Dongle time. Here we go. Look at the back. This is open close. For some reason. Oh, you could put the dongle there in case you take this on the road with you. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is nice. It has a nice feel with the grips. Nice smooth surface. There's that rapid fire. And there's that traction control. RGB probably lights up pretty much through the whole thing, huh? We might want to take these off. These are for that slip guard thing, whatever you guys want to call it. See, bam, just rip it off. It ain't gonna harm it. There's another one on top right there. And there should be another right there. Yep. Here we go. So if you want to do the wireless, plug this in to your laptop, desktop, gaming PC. And if you want to use a wired, plug it in like so. Bada boom. It's a long cord too, so either or, it's good to go. We're gonna hop over to the PC and then hook it up and then try it out for a few. Test it out. Okie dokie. Alright, right now I'm gonna plug in the dongle. We're gonna do the Wi-Fi setup or wireless setup right there. Plug it in right next to it. Ooh. If I could reach it, that'd be great. There we go. It's plugged in. My computer recognizes it. Gotta turn it on. Ooh, right away. Oh yeah. This is smooth. And see, this is their keyboard. Really nice mechanical also. But once you click on the link, it'll take you right to the Redragon store on Amazon. And you guys can see. Okay, there we go. Oh, see it move faster. Okay, slow it down a little bit. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see it now. But it was moving. See, it's right on this dude right there. Whoever that guy is. What? Alright. Mode switch. Whoa. Alright. Yeah, this feels smooth. I like this trackball. See this button right there? It says mode. Rapid fire. Really nice. I'm surprised though. Maybe it needs to be charged. Hold on. I see. See right here? It says go to eco mode. So if you push this all the way up, it will save the battery life for the wireless, which is really good. Not too many mouses have that. I don't think. This is like the first one I've seen in a long time. If ever. So it'll just light up this. I mean, that's pretty much all you need, but for show and tell, switch this down to on. And now we got full RGB lights. Wow, that's really cool. Yeah, see now it matches with that keyboard. But these grips right here feel amazing. So I think about having this now as the main mouse for this room. Because I mean, the only thing that's white is this. And my other computer in my room are all black, so it don't fit the color scheme. But yeah, these are really smooth. There's RGB right. And then right there. Really happy. Look at that. Really cool. Gotta love the future, you know? And then, like I said, you could just plug it in. Oh, drunken tripod. There we go. You just want to plug it in. Go like this. And now you don't have to worry about the battery life or anything. You're good to go. So it all depends on if you're doing a lot of gaming, especially on Twitch or whatnot. Plug it in. But if you're doing basic stuff, maybe even like video editing for YouTube or whatnot, you know, you never know, listing things on eBay, or this is a good mouse to do it. Look at that though. Really smooth. Nice grips. Super lightweight too, super comfy. And compared to these guys, I'm liking this one a lot better. No offense to them, but they gotta go. Alright, so, oh, drunk. There we go. Check them out. Links will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. And hopefully see you in the next video. Remember, Prime Day sales are going on now. Click my affiliate link and place an order. They'll ship it to you fast. Be safe and see you guys soon.